Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is a type of AI that aims to think and learn like humans across many tasks. Unlike today's AI systems, which are good at only one thing, AGI would be able to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in many different areas without needing to be programmed for each specific task. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, also known as strong AI or human-level intelligence, aims to mimic the broad intelligence that humans have. AGI would be able to make decisions on its own, deciding when to seek information, ask for help, or act independently to solve problems. It would also be able to solve new, unfamiliar tasks by applying knowledge from other areas. Additionally, AGI would continuously evaluate its performance and adapt to new situations. It would have a degree of self-awareness and consciousness, allowing it to understand itself and control its actions autonomously. Think of AGI as a powerful brain that can adapt, learn, and reason across any intellectual challenge a human might face. Here's how AGI compares with other forms of AI. Narrow AI, ANI, also known as weak AI, is the type of AI we use today. These systems are designed to do specific tasks within set boundaries. Narrow AI is excellent at single tasks such as facial recognition, voice assistance, or driving cars. It learns by being trained on specific datasets for particular functions. However, it cannot transfer knowledge between different areas. To put it another way, if AGI is like a versatile chef who can create any dish from available ingredients, narrow AI is like a specialized kitchen appliance that makes only one type of food perfectly. Examples of narrow AI include Siri, self-driving cars, Netflix recommendation systems, and Google's RankBrain. Generative AI creates new content, such as text, images, music, or other media, by learning patterns from specific datasets. However, it lacks a true understanding of what it's creating. Instead, it operates based on statistical patterns rather than genuine comprehension. For example, if AGI is like an artist who understands the meaning and context behind their creations, generative AI is like a skilled mimic who can reproduce artistic styles without grasping their significance. Examples of generative AI include ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney. If AGI is achieved, it could potentially solve complex scientific problems across multiple fields. It could also discover new mathematical theorems. Furthermore, AGI could create original art, music, and literature with real understanding, and it could engage in meaningful philosophical discussions. Finally, it could learn new skills from just a few examples, much like humans do. Think of AGI as a knowledgeable librarian who can not only remember information from books but also combine that knowledge to solve new problems and create new ideas. AGI is still mostly theoretical, and some experts predict it might become a reality by 2030, but these are just guesses. Developing AGI involves major technical challenges and important ethical issues, which researchers and companies like OpenAI and DeepMind are working on.